and expecting rupees 21,636 crores as grant in aid in the current year. Here he seems to be so enthusiastic. And a day before, we had a discussion and a debate and also a resolution stating that we are not getting our due share. There we discuss and here we show so much of enthusiasm. तो मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि ये कैसा गैप. And if we see what has been collected last year, और अगर आप देखते हैं जो कमी आ रही है, डेफिसिट आ रही है, उसको कैसा पूरा करेंगे? I may be wrong, sir, but ये गैप कैसा करेंगे, कैसा लाएंगे, पता नहीं. शायद वैसा ही लाने वाले हैं जैसा ओल्ड सिटी में अदानी को दे रहे हैं, तो शायद दे आर हेल्पिंग. शायद अदानी. I might be wrong. I might be wrong. Please do not feel offended. But I'm thinking. I mean, मैं समझ रहा हूँ शायद वो भी कलेक्शन शायद अदानी कुछ करके देंगे शायद. I don't know. I hope I'm wrong. Similarly, the finance minister Saab has quoted ambitious targets for state-owned revenue targets for the year 24-25, including rupees 18,229 crores from stamps and registration, rupees 25,617 crores from state, excise rupees 33,449 crores from value-added tax, 8,478 crores from motor vehicle tax, rupees 715 crores from electricity dues, etc., totaling to rupees 86,518 crores. In 23-24, the state realized a receipt of rupees 72,503 crores from all these state taxes, and the state has to realize rupees 14,015 crore from these taxes in the year 2024 and 25. Bhatti Saab has projected non-tax revenues of rupees 35,208 crores in 2024 and 25 as against the actual non-tax receipt of rupees 23,819 crores in the year 23-24. The state has to realize additional rupees 11,389 crores in the current year, and here is the catch, sir. He has targeted to realize rupees 25,000 crores from auction and sale of government lands and plots in 24-25 as against the receipt of rupees 7,000 crores in the year 23-24. How can the government achieve the ambitious target of realizing an additional 16,678 crores from auction and sale of government lands and plots in the current year, especially when the real estate market is facing a downslide, sir? And I hope that, sir, again I might be wrong, ये जमीन के साथ वो दो बेडरूम के जो फ्लैट्स बनाए थे, जो दिए थे, उसमें कुछ पैसे लेके वो भी न बेचे. मैं उम्मीद करता हूं वो नहीं करेंगे, गरीबों को भरोसा था. अब ये I was listening to Mr. Harish Rao Saab, he was saying 10,000 crores. No sir, it is 16,678 crores. जमीन बेचकर जो पैसे लाएंगे बोल के उम्मीद है हुकूमत को, वो 16,670 crore हैं. I don't know how are they going to do it. Similarly, ambitious targets are fixed for allocation and outlays for different sectors and figures cited in the budget speech and budget documents, which do not match at all, sir. Honorable panel speaker, sir, I have always been debating and saying that the figures should match. The figures should match. But not a single figure is matching, sir. Sir, it's not like others, sir. Sir, me and my team, sir, we sit after the budget is presented for more than 18 to 20 hours, sir. We go into each and every detail, sir. We study, we see. And I'm really surprised, sir. Sir, एक फिगर बजट की स्पीच में रहता, एक जो है सो अंदर किताबों में रहता, एक जो है सो इकोनॉमिक सर्वे में रहता, और एक मिनिस्टर साहब बोलते हैं. So I really don't know which figure should we take serious or which figures should we follow. फिर बाद में CAG में जाकर देखते हैं तो वहां एक अलग फिगर रहता है. The projected total expenditure in the current year is rupees 2